a story called Peppa's Magical Unicorn. And after the story, we have a special surprise for Peppa. We're going to build the original miracle melting, sparkling unicorn. Let's begin the story. One rainy day, Peppa introduces Susie to her toy horse. "This is Horsey Twinkletoes," Peppa says. "It's very nice to meet you, Miss Twinkletoes," Susie replies. Peppa gallops up to her room while riding Horsey Twinkletoes. "Giddy up!" Peppa shouts while Susie watches. Downstairs, Daddy Pig hears a lot of noise. He comes up to see what is going on. "We're playing horses," Peppa explains. Daddy Pig sees that Peppa is playing horses. Susie is sitting quietly. "Do you think it's Susie's turn to play, Peppa?" asks Daddy Pig. "Yes," Peppa replies. But Susie says she doesn't want to play horses. She wants to play unicorns. "Well, Horsey Twinkletoes is a magic horse," Peppa replies. "She can be a unicorn whenever she feels like it." Susie is still disappointed. "Unicorns have rainbow tails," says Susie. Horsey Twinkletoes does not have a rainbow tail. That gives Peppa an idea. They put colorful ribbons on Horsey Twinkletoes' tail. But Susie is still disappointed. "I wish Horsey Twinkletoes was a real unicorn," says Susie. "And I wish she was really sparkly," adds Peppa. Daddy Pig brings a tray of cookies and juice out to Peppa, Susie, and Horsey Twinkletoes. "Who would like to hear a bedtime story?" he asks. "Please, can you read us a bedtime story about unicorns, Daddy?" asks Peppa. "Of course," Daddy Pig replies. "Once upon a time, there was a unicorn that came to life." "Wow," Susie says. "I wish Horsey Twinkletoes would do that." That gives Daddy Pig an idea. "Why don't you build Horsey Twinkletoes a place to sleep in?" he asks.